red end. It represents north pole. So just put it here. Whatever its direction is. Now it is pointed towards west and east. The north pole is towards west side, south pole towards east side. When current is like, when I create a magnetic field around it, you will just see the deflection. I've just created, switch on is there, na? Switch on hai. So there is a magnetic field. Now just check it. You can see that? Now switch is on. Please come in. Oh, Achha, I, okay, sorry. Okay, switch is on. Now switch is on. You can see here, just see the needle. Just see the needle. What is going on? It deflects towards the eastern side and the north side. पहले बेस में था, it is towards north. Okay, just make it again. Again, its original position. Please bring it. What do you say? You can say that the needle is deflecting. What does it mean? It means that there must be a magnetic field. Without magnetic field, this needle cannot deflect a single moment. Okay? So, from where the magnetic field is coming, sir? From this. It means that we have created a magnetic field through this simple circuit. Okay? This is a simple meaning. Okay? If I increase, one thing is that here the direction is fixed.
Yes.
Fixed na? I want to change the direction of magnetic field. So let me try one thing.
So we have to change magnetic.
Yes, we have to change the, and there is simple wire, simple coil. It does not create a magnetic field. How to prove that? Switch is on. Switch is on. There is no deflection in the needle. It means that there is no magnetic field. So tell me what? What is the reason? When I put this needle inside this coil, it creates magnetic field. Why?
Sir, it is a magnetic field.